What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reid. So what I have in my hand is one of the most talked about modifications on the Tacoma forums, tacomaworld.com. So what this is one of the AC knobs, so a replacement. So you replace the old knob and then you can put a new one in it. So these are talked about on Tacoma World probably at least once a day. There's probably a new thread on it. These run about $10. I'll put a link in the description below. On Amazon, they're $10 and easy to replace and modify the look of your Tacoma. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the old ones, of course. And they can get kind of, some of them are on there pretty good. Mine are pretty easy to come off. But what some people do is they'll take a pair of little pliers and a paper towel and hold on to this to pull out. So these just pull straight off. I would recommend pushing in on the faceplate when you pull off. Just pull straight off. I do recommend putting every needle up straight up and down, and then you'll just repeat putting the new one back on. And there we go. So now I have the new one, and then it will move just like normal. Now, I will tell you this, there's a little bit of play, about a 1/4 inch of play in it. I don't know if that'll bug you or not. It kind of bugs me, but at the end of the day, it's all right. It's not as much as I was hearing on the internet, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. Now you can see when you turn on your headlights, or your lights inside too, that illuminates the circle and everything, and then you can see a little notch there for up, so that way when you change it, you can see it nice and easy. One thing I wanted to mention is these are really heavy duty. These are kind of anodized metal versus the stock ones are plastic. So kind of makes it a lot nicer for you. So let's go ahead and put the last one on. Now, I did notice that when I put the middle one on, there is no play, so that's great. And then this one, can't really tell much. You can't really tell there's play. So let's try to, I think my light bulb's out on this side. Can't see that one on. But there you go. And you got all three of these in here. Cheap modification for your Tacoma. I believe it's any 2nd gen and 3rd gen. I'll have to double check on 3rd gen, but it's $10. And the link, like I said, the link is in the description. But these are really nice, easy modification for your Tacoma to change the look of it inside. Also, I put a link up above to show you how to remove the stock head unit. I went ahead and modified mine and removed the stock head unit and put a CarPlay enabled Pioneer head unit in. So that video will be above. I'll have a link come across. Other than that, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like the video. And then go ahead, if you have any comments, put them in the description below. Thanks for watching.